Hello there, everybody. Welcome to today's video. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate another application that I've developed. This so happens to be my final capstone project that I've developed. Right. So, in this project, I developed a simple book notes, a simple book notes reviewer. So, how it works is that this is a web application that actually it takes different books. I've set it to about 100 books. I'm using Open Library as my source. And basically, what we're doing here is we're trying to review the different books that are up here and choose a book to review. So this application is pretty simple. We have all these books to choose from. And this is a list of all the books that have already been reviewed. I've just written some so you can see they have a star rating from 0 to 10 stars ratings, and then there's a whole lot of there's a description of the review. So some of these are not exactly they're not they're not like the best reviews, but I've just put in random stuff here just to show you what I've done on this application. Right. So if you notice now, when I'm going at the top of here, I'm hovering over these different books, right? And if I click on a book that I want to review, say I want to review, let's choose something here that's interesting. Okay, I'm gonna choose a Star Wars Dark Apprentice. I don't know what that's about, but I'm gonna review it. So it highlights it in brown, takes it to here. So now I can give it a rating. So say for instance, let's do the review first. So I'm gonna say here, I read the Star Wars franchise book. It was a real exploration and fun read. Right. The I think I'm just trying to think of something to write here. I'm not really good at reviewing, but let's just see. Um, s- a real inspiration to the movies themselves. Right. Okay, I think that's fine. And I'm gonna give it a rating of 6 stars. Okay, submit. Right. So now it takes it to the bottom over here, and then we can see at the very end. I read the Star Wars franchise book. It was a real exploration and fun read. The books are a real inspiration to the movies themselves. Okay, so that's a review. And say, for instance, we want to select one of these reviews down here. Maybe we can select. Maybe we can select Julius Caesar. I think we've all read this in high school, so we all know what this is about. I've written here this book is a great poetic masterpiece and a good study as well. We can change our review. We can say this book was very poetic, but I did not like the message that it was translating. Sorry, translating is the wrong word. Illustrating to the readers, right? Just say you didn't like the book. Okay, so we'll give it maybe 3 stars. Okay. And then you click edit, and you'll see that the rating has changed somewhere over here. So Julius Caesar. This book was very poetic, but I did not like the message that it was illustrating to the readers. Okay, so that's a 3 star. Right. So we have all these books here, and one other option we have is to delete a book. So in order to do that, we simply go to a book we want to delete. Let's say we want to delete this Cat in the Hat thing. So let's go to it. Select, delete. Right. So it's been deleted, and because it's been deleted, it should redisplay itself somewhere over here. There's it, the Cat in the Hat. So you can see that it adds it back to the review list if we delete it from the reviewed books. All right, so this was actually the entire book review project that I went into. In order to create this type of project, I had to use a database to do it, and the database basically takes information or data from the it takes information or data from the different books we have here, and their authors, their titles, all that stuff. And we put that all in the database. We have an ID, and it basically works like that. Yeah, so this was actually the hardest one that I've had to do because I had to use API requests. I had to make my own APIs, and it was quite a challenge. But nevertheless, it was fun. I enjoyed doing it, and yeah, if you're interested in developing uh, if you're interested in developing software like this, if you would like to buy our products or buy our services, please contact Strat Business Solutions. In the description, there will be our email address. In the description will also be our mobile number. And yeah, so thank you all so much for watching. Until the next video, Strat out.